Welcome to the world of rustic farmhouse interior decor, where the charm of the countryside meets the comfort of home. Whether you're looking to transform your entire home or just add a few touches, this timeless style offers warmth, character, and a sense of nostalgia. At the heart of rustic farmhouse decor is the living room. Think natural materials like exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and a stone fireplace. The goal is to create a cozy, inviting space where family and friends can gather. The kitchen is another key area for rustic farmhouse decor. Open shelves displaying your best dishes, a vintage sink, and wooden cabinets create a functional yet aesthetically pleasing space. Don't forget to incorporate some antique kitchenware for that authentic farmhouse feel. Dining areas in rustic farmhouse homes are all about bringing people together. A large wooden table with mismatched chairs gives a casual, welcoming vibe. Complete the look with a mason jar chandelier or a simple iron light fixture to add a touch of rustic elegance. Moving on to the bedroom, comfort and simplicity are key. A wrought iron bed frame, patchwork quilt, and wooden nightstands create a serene retreat. The colors should be soft and muted, with lots of natural textures. In the bathroom, a clawfoot tub paired with a rustic wooden vanity and shiplap walls exudes farmhouse charm. Keep the decor simple and functional, with a few vintage touches like an old-fashioned mirror or light fixtures. Even small spaces like entryways can embrace the rustic farmhouse look. A wooden bench, some sturdy coat hooks, and a vintage rug can transform this often overlooked area into a welcoming entrance. Throughout your home, remember that the essence of rustic farmhouse decor lies in its simplicity and connection to nature. By embracing Rustic Farmhouse interior decor, you're not just decorating your home. You're creating a warm, inviting space that tells a story. Thank you for watching this video.